Hello everyone, welcome back to TechGems. In today's video, I will show you how to share your favorite Spotify songs to your Instagram notes. So let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Then tap on the message icon in the bottom. And here at the top, tap on your note. Now tap on the music icon. And if you haven't linked Spotify yet, tap on link Spotify, and Instagram will open Spotify. Just allow the connections and your Spotify account will be linked. Now open the Spotify app and play a song, and again go back to your Instagram and tap on your note again and tap share what you're listening to, and the song you're playing will appear in your note. And finally tap share, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TechGems for more helpful tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.